how to fix Garena fail to connect with Facebook. To fix the issue, you can follow this step. So first, you can try to check Facebook permission. So go to Facebook settings and then go to your apps and website. After that, remove Garena, then try to log back and then relink. So if this step doesn't work, then try to second step, clear cache and then data. In your phone setting, clear Garena apps cache and data. So hopefully this step will also work. After that, check internet connection. If you don't have any stable internet connection, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. And then update apps. Make sure both Garena and Facebook are updated to the latest version. After that, log out and log in. So you can try to log out and log into Facebook and Garena and then log back and then reinstall the game. First you can uninstall and then again reinstall. So after that, disable VPN or proxy. If you are using any VPN or proxy, then try to disable it. Use a different Facebook account. You can try to link a Facebook different account. And finally, if the above step doesn't work for you, you can try to contact with Garena support and they can help you. So hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.